Hi everyone, this is going to be an update for our Lifetime Activities class for the week of May 11th through May 15th. Before getting into the new work for this week, I do want to point out, I noticed that in our gradebook there's quite a few students that haven't done any of the work yet for this class. So I do want to kind of go over how the class is going to work if there's someone that is just logging in for the first time. I'd like you all to be starting in the updates tab, and this is where you're going to find the video that you're watching right now. That's where I always give my updates on Mondays, and I also give some other updates during the week. So check there first, watch the entire video, and then from there you're going to click to this materials tab where you're going to see our weekly activity folders. All right, so this is where you're going to find the work and the instructions as to what you're going to do for the week. Now, if you're someone that's just tuning in, what I would recommend is going to this will say grades for you instead of grade book. Go in there and see if you have any blank assignments that you didn't complete yet, or you might even see something that says missing. If you see that next to your name, you need to make sure that you go in and complete all of those assignments so that you're caught up with the class. All right, now for this week, in our materials tab, you're going to click on our activities folder, and there are 3 items that I want you to take a look at. Last week we took a look at the rules of golf. So golf is a great lifetime activity. It's a lifetime game that we can play. You can either play it on the golf course, you can play putt-putt golf, you can play it at the driving range. It's a very fun sport. It's not for everybody. However, there is a little variation that I think some people like more than the traditional game of golf, and that is something called disc golf or frisbee golf. You can play disc golf or frisbee golf in your yard. You can go to different parks around the area where they actually have disc golf golf courses set up in the woods and in the trails. And what I'd like you to do this week is I want you to start by clicking on this link, and this is a video that explains the rules of disc golf or frisbee golf. So I want you to watch this full video first, okay? Become familiar with the game of disc golf. Then I want you to come back to the folder. I want you to click on the disc golf questions. There are 5 questions in here. And again, when you go into that, you can actually have 3 attempts to take it. So if you take those questions and you don't get all of the answers correct, start a new attempt, and then you can try to fix those answers, and you'll have up to 3 times to take it. So then you'll get your best score in those 3 times that you attempted the questions. All right. So you're going to answer those questions. And then finally, I want you at some point during the week to go back and join our class discussion about disc golf. And the question that I'm asking in here, and this is what I would like you to make a comment on, is if given a choice, do you think that you would prefer playing regular golf with golf clubs and a golf ball? Do you think you'd like the traditional style of golf? Or do you think you would like to do disc golf and maybe play a game of disc golf using that equipment to play the game of golf? There's no right or wrong answer to this. I'm just kind of curious as to what your opinion is. I would like you to explain why you chose what you chose. So just make one comment down here that explains what you think you would enjoy playing, and then also why you chose what you chose. Okay? And then throughout the week, check back here, look at other people's comments. You can either give them a thumbs up or you can comment back on their post. But this is just a class discussion that I'd like you to be involved in this week. All right, so this was our folder. I'd like you to make sure that you take a look at all 3 of those items, and this is a graded assignment here, so make sure that you are going through all of these and you're getting them done. Okay, everyone, I'll be on every day. If you have any questions, please message me up here. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, and I hope all of you have a great week. All right, see you later.